Hi, it's me again, Christian from ancoreSoft. Today I'm going to show you how you can limit the access to your ancoreShare reports based on role spaces. My today's setup: I have published a consumer sales app in a shared space called Qlik World 2023. Inside the app, we have a sheet called Reports. And I have added a simple report containing a multi-page table, and the destination of the report is our SharePoint folder. So basically everyone who is a member of the Qlik World 2023 space can also export the report, of course. And now I want to limit the access to a certain group of people. And to do so, we create a new space. And this is done by switching over to the management console, create new space. We're going to use the shared one, that is not so important. Give it a name, Finance Reports Access, create, and jump into the Manage Members. And for the second, I will leave it just without any additional member, just with mine. And we're going back to my report. And inside the report, there is the Report Settings Security Management part. Click it once, and now we can add one or multiple roles that should have access to this particular report. Click, type in Finance, select the Finance access, and that's it. So let me make it public, and from now on everyone has access to this page and the report, but only if they are in our new created Finance Reports Access space. So when I'm going to click here with Jennifer, she's not member of the new created space, and she tries to export, she will receive the message, you don't have access to this report. Okay, let's go back to our spaces and add members. Jennifer, add, and it's okay if just she has the access role view, that's sufficient. And when we now go back to her session and re-execute, she can use the report right away. And since we have decided to go by our SharePoint, the report has been published to the SharePoint folder, and here it is, our finance report. And this is how you can limit the access to your ancoreShare reports. Bye!